Hello everyone, we're checking on a kitchen renovation that we're doing here, so I wanted to show you some of the progress. So this is a beautiful big kitchen, and what we're doing in here is kind of a mixture of new cabinetry and updating the existing cabinetry. So as you can see here, this one is the existing, and we are giving her a new cabinet here that has some drawers and a spice drawer here. We put new doors that are all going to be painted. And then over here, we built them a beautiful new coffee station with lots of storage. These are pretty big drawers, so she'll have lots of storage in there for all of her items that she needs. And we're giving them a new island that's going to have a pull-out trash can and all the good stuff. And then the other thing is over here, this is going to be large cabinetry, which we have still sitting over there. And a very large cabinet is going to go in here with doors that open up, and she can put all of her small appliances and things like that. So that's what we're doing here. Follow along for more on this renovation.